Hello and welcome to another session of how to become a financial analyst. In today's session, we'll learn something about a filter and the advanced filter. Apparently, it's a very simple function, but if you go deep down into this, you will find that this filter, especially the advanced filter, sometimes becomes very important for you, and it helps you to do more analysis of your day-to-day data in your office. So first of all, if I want to put a filter, what I will do, this is a normal data which has a region. There's a sales reps names to whom they have sold the goods. What is the product? What is the sales value? What is the gross margin percentage of that? What is the cost of goods sold and what is the gross margin? It's a very simple data, and it has around more than 500 different records. So if I want to do a filter, what I will do, I will put my cursor anywhere in the things and I will go into a data ribbon, and over here it says filter. So the moment I press the filter, you can see these drop down buttons appears over here, and now you can use these filter. For example, I just how many regions are here? So there are 4 regions, east, west, north, south. So I don't want to see all 4 regions. For example, I just want to see the west, so I will just click onto the west, and now I can see everything which is appeared over here is related to the west. So anything is the west, or in the west I just want to see the performance of let's say Luke. So what I will do, I say show me the performance in the west of for my sales rep who is Luke, and then over here and everything. And now even I can select that whatever the products he has sold, I just want to find JV product, how much business he has done over here. So he has done 2 transactions. Luke has done 2 transactions in the west region to Mr. Excel.com and Chevron. So this is how we can do the things. We can do our filters, and at any time if I want to bring the 100% data, I have to do nothing, just simply go and select everything to have that data back onto your sheet. Okay. Second way of making the filters automatically is, don't go through this options, but go into insert, and while your cursor is over here, just make it as a table, and it will ask you the whole range. Okay, so I have to select the data first, because otherwise the filter. So I will select from here, shift control down arrow key, and over here, and I says table, and now system has selected the tables, and as you can see that these filter options are already available over here. I have to do nothing. If I just want to see how much business has been done with the Google, I will say OK and press OK, and now my customer Google is selected, wherever region, whatever it is, and all the transactions are done by to the customer Google here. So this is one option. Now let's see some of the other options here. For example, my boss wants me to just show me a total of the total transactions done by these sales reps over here. So what I will do, one way is bringing in how many customer sales rep I have. For example, if I go here, it may be maybe 10 to 15 different things. Or let's take the companies, how many companies we have. Let's go to the product. So I think, let's say see some of the advanced filter features. For example, this is a list of all my sales rep, and I just want a unique name. I don't want names to be repeated. I want one name to be displayed me once, so that I want to see how many sales rep I have. So I will go into data, advanced, and I want to copy to another location. And what is my data ranges? My data ranges only start from the heading till the bottom, which is shift control and the down arrow keys, and I've selected everything where I want to copy it. I want to copy the names over here, and then lastly, don't forget to click onto the unique records only. So now what system will do for me, that out of these 500 records, system will only bring me the unique names of a sales rep once in the list, and that list can be 10, 15 or 20 names, whatever it is. So copy to another location. Range is my column C over here, and I want to copy it somewhere over here and unique records only. And now as you can see that these are the names of my suppliers, of my sales rep. So how many sales rep I have total? All in all, they're around 18. So system has picked the unique names and bring them here. So this is one way of doing our data. Now what is the second way? Second way is my boss wants me just to take out a printout of the total business done from the Home Depot. So what I will do in that case, I can copy this whole heading and paste. Okay. And now I want to see the total business done by Home Depot. So if I want to see the total business done by Home Depot, what I will do, I will just simply go here and copy, or let's say Home Depot, yeah. So let's say Home Depot, or let's select Amazon here. So I will say copy this thing, which is my customer, and I will put my customer over here. And now I want to pick all the data related to the Amazon into a separate area. So again, I will go into my data and say advanced filters and copy to another location. And what is my data range? Now it will not be a single column. I want to pick the whole thing. So I will say that my data range is from here to here, and the total this. What is my criteria over here? My criteria is this. Okay. And now I will not select and copy where, copy over here. And now I will not select the unique, because I don't want unique record. I want everything related to all the transaction related to the Amazon to be displayed here separately. And the moment I say is okay, as you can see that all the Amazon related transactions has been copied to another location. Okay. So this is another way of doing our filters over here. And now you can do to any of criteria. You can pick the specific name of the sales or the regions or the products, whatever it is. You can easily do all these things. And I hope that you have learned something new from this filter topic. If you want me to cover any specific function or scenario, then please feel free to leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe my channel, and also inform your friends and colleagues so that they also get benefit from these trainings also. And in the last, I will say thank you for tuning in. Bye.